Okay, it's past 12 in the morning. It's February 13. I just got home. I actually went out. We went out earlier kasi daming errands ginawa. Bank, tapos basta sobrang dami. Then we went grocery shopping. Then super late dinner. Around past 9. I guess late dinner slash advance Valentine's. Anyway, so kanina nagagalit ako sa grocery. Why? Kasi the best friend keeps asking me to purchase this. Nainis ako kasi sabi ko, aanhin yan. Parang hindi naman kailangan. Plus, we have other, stuffs here for steaks and all, ganyan. Basta he keeps on insisting na kailangan mong bilhin. Di, okay, fine, binili ko. Not until, pagkatapos magligpit ngayon lang, I realized that we purchased, pork belly. So, yun pala, kaya niya pinapabili. Nakalimutan ko na kasi nagbili pala kami ng pork belly. So, kaya pala niya pinabili ito. It's because it's for this one. Kasi, sa amin dalawa, siya yung mas marunong magluto. Aminado naman ako doon. So, yun. So, medyo, it's a little bit embarrassing. Realizing na, okay, tama pala siya kasi nga, yun. So, later, in a bit, a little while, i-marinate ko to with, of course, this one. Then, ayan. Then, there's this pleasant surprise. So, we were just in the grocery store and then, sabi ni best friend, he actually remembered that I love Mickey Mouse. He knows my likes and everything, but yun, meron akong talaga inclination with Mickey ever since bata pa. So, nagulat ako cause bigla niyang ako sinurprise ng so it's a Mickey Mouse tray. And this is his Valentine's gift for me. I really appreciate it. Sobrang happy ko. I'm not the type of person na into flowers, into chocolates, little stuffs, even probably kung magbibigay lang nga yan ng note, okay lang yun sa akin. Post-it note, ganon, okay lang yun. It's more on the thought that counts. But sobrang gulat ako and sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi ayan, Disney Mickey Mouse tray, and he knows din kasi that I've been looking for a tray. Yun, sobra happy lang. He actually let me choose kung anong design ang gusto ko. There's he kept on insisting like there's this pink tray. It's cute. The thing is, I'm not into pink. So, sabi ko, mas gusto ko to. Sobrang na happy naman ako. Plus, sabi ko nga sa kanya, you can see Mickey Mouse naman, oh. Ayan, oh, dami Mickey Mouse. Ayan. Tapos doon pa ako. Yun, sobrang na happy lang ako that I know, I'll be honest. Ngayon lang ata ako talaga nakatanggap ng Valentine's gift. Yeah, I don't want to be emotional. Pero, just just basically telling the truth na ngayon lang buong buhay ko wala. And like what I've said, hindi naman ako yung type of person who would demand na uy, kailangan meron ako ganito, meron. No, I'm not that kind of person. Kung meron. Kung wala. And like what I've said earlier, simple note lang nga eh. Post-it note lang nga. Happy na ako sa ganun eh. Madali ako pasayahin. But, the fact that he remembered that I'm really a Mickey Mouse fan, and then also yung fact na alam niya naghahanap din ako ng tray na hanggang ngayon hindi pa ako bumibili na medyo matagal na. Yun, sobrang na-appreciate ko. Sobrang happy ako. Just wanted to tell him that I really appreciate him. That he's really special to me. And kahit para kaming aso pusa na laging nag-aaway, we argue with little stuffs kasi matigas ulo ko, ano pa rin, basta sobrang thankful ako na that I've met him, that we've met. Yun lang. Sobrang lang, na-appreciate ko talaga lahat ng ginagawa niya sa akin, kahit sobrang tigas ng ulo. Kasi madalas namin pinapag-argue. He keeps telling me that I'm too stubborn, I'm too hard-headed, minsan alam ko na nga kung ano dapat gawin. Parang he would remind me several times a day na, hey, ganito, ganyan. Like, just with my vitamins. Parang sa isang araw, ilan beses siya mag-remind. Even, like, eating breakfast. Because I'm not really into eating breakfast. Coffee, for me, will do. But, he basically changed my life. Just, little things, it's not a drastic na parang snap of a finger and ganon. It took a while. I know yung hardships na dinaanan niya and all, but sobrang na-appreciate ko. I just want him to know that sobrang thankful ako having a friend like him. Sobrang thoughtful, sobrang inaalagaan. And sana matigas ulo ko, pagtsagaan niya ako, because he's really one of a kind. And I really appreciate him. Everything about him. Sobra. Again, thank you for today. Well, not just for today, but every day. Na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa mo for me. And Valentine's. So, basically, dito na lang tayo mag-concentrate. Sobrang happy ko dito. Really, sobra happy ako dito. You know, what I really love. Yun lang. So, I guess, Valentine's at home with the marinated liempo na buti na lang talaga binili ko dahil matigas ang ulo ko at ayaw ko sanang bilhin. Pinush niya lang talaga. So, ayun. That's just an appreciation post, and I just wanted to say thank you and happy Valentine's.